In this video, I'm going to show you how you can find and use your crypto wallet address or the deposit address for any crypto coin using the Kraken phone application. So if you find the video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like it. If you don't have a Kraken account yet, I will leave my referral link and invite code on the description below, where you can get from 20 to 100 euros just by creating your account, doing your first deposit and a trade, which is very simple. You can just trade from one crypto to another, and this way you will get a bonus. As you can see, this is all the money I got from referral codes, and this is just the money I got on the last week. So for example, my last referral got more than 100 euros and it's completely free and it only takes a few minutes. So if you want some extra money, you can create your account using the link in the description below. So basically this way you can deposit any crypto coin on the Kraken platform. For example, if you want to deposit Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana or any other coin, I'm going to show you how to find the deposit address so you can deposit money. So firstly, go to Explore, this tab at the middle, and then at the top at the search field, you're going to search for the crypto you want to deposit. For example, let's say it's BNB. You can click here or search for it, BNB. Click there, and at the bottom you should find deposit. So if you click here, you will see some simple instructions. For example, you can only deposit BNB from the BNB chain network. There is also a minimum deposit and the estimated processing time for each transaction. So if you want to make sure that everything is correct, you can also try sending smaller amounts first. And in some cases, depending on the crypto coin, you will see a list of different networks you can choose. So this way you can take crypto payments from different networks. Just select the network you want to use and click I understand. Now you will see your deposit address for the selected crypto coin. You can just copy it, or you can also scan this QR code to deposit money directly to your wallet. So with this address you can send it to anyone and people can send money to your wallet from any other platform or wallet. For example, they can send money from Binance or any other crypto platform they are using. So that's it. It's the same process with any other crypto coin, and that's how you can deposit cryptos on Kraken. I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.